Welcome to travel. Today, we're diving into one of nature's most unique wonders, Coastal Dune Lakes. Found along the Emerald Coast, these rare ecosystems are a blend of freshwater and saltwater, surrounded by stunning landscapes. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, a photographer, or just someone who loves exploring hidden gems, this video will take you on a journey through these breathtaking lakes. Let's get started. Exploring Coastal Dune Lakes. Nature's hidden gems on the Emerald Coast Coastal Dune Lakes are one of the rarest natural phenomena in the world, and the Emerald Coast of Florida is home to 15 of these stunning ecosystems. These lakes are unique because they occasionally open up to the Gulf of Mexico, creating a mix of freshwater and saltwater that supports diverse plant and animal life. Let's explore what makes Coastal Dune Lakes so special and how you can experience them for yourself. What are Coastal Dune Lakes? Coastal dune lakes are shallow bodies of water found along coastlines where sand dunes separate the lake from the ocean. What makes them unique is their occasional connection to the sea, which happens when water levels rise high enough to breach the dunes. This creates a dynamic ecosystem where freshwater and saltwater mix, supporting a wide variety of wildlife. Where to find Coastal Dune Lakes? The Emerald Coast, particularly along Scenic Highway 30A in Florida, is home to 15 coastal dune lakes. Some of the most popular ones include Western Lake, Grayton Beach State Park, the largest and most well-known coastal dune lake, perfect for kayaking, paddleboarding, and fishing. Draper Lake, a quieter lake surrounded by natural beauty. Great for birdwatching and photography. Camp Creek Lake, known for its clear waters and peaceful atmosphere, ideal for swimming and picnicking. Deer Lake State Park, a pristine lake with a diverse ecosystem, offers hiking trails and boardwalks for easy access. Why visit Coastal Dune Lakes? Unique ecosystem. The mix of freshwater and saltwater creates a habitat for rare plants and animals. Look out for herons, egrets, and even alligators. Stunning scenery. The lakes are surrounded by sand dunes, forests, and coastal vegetation. The contrast between the blue waters and green landscapes is breathtaking. Recreational activities, kayaking, paddleboarding, and canoeing are popular ways to explore the lakes. Fishing is also allowed in some lakes, with species like bass and bluegill. Peace and quiet unlike crowded beaches. Coastal dune lakes offer a serene escape into nature. How to explore Coastal Dune Lakes? Kayaking or paddleboarding. Rent a kayak or paddleboard to glide across the calm waters and get up close to the natural beauty. Hiking. Many lakes, like those in Grayton Beach State Park and Deer Lake State Park, have trails that offer stunning views. Photography, capture the unique landscapes, wildlife, and vibrant sunsets. Guided tours. Join a local tour to learn more about the history and ecology of these lakes. Tips for visiting Coastal Dune Lakes. Respect the environment, avoid littering, and stay on designated trails to protect the fragile ecosystem. Check local regulations. Some lakes have specific rules about fishing, swimming, or boating. Bring supplies, pack water, snacks, sunscreen, and bug spray for your adventure. Visit during off-peak hours. Early mornings or weekdays are the best times to avoid crowds. The Emerald Coast is a 100-mile stretch of coastline along the Gulf of Mexico in northwest Florida. Named for its mesmerizing emerald green and turquoise waters, this region is a paradise for beach lovers, adventurers, and families alike. From pristine beaches to rare coastal dune lakes, the Emerald Coast offers something for everyone. Let's explore what makes this destination so special. Why visit the Emerald Coast? The Emerald Coast is famous for its turquoise waters, some of the clearest and most vibrant waters in the world. Sugar white sand, soft powdery sand that's perfect for barefoot walks. Charming towns, quaint communities like Pristine, Santa Rosa. Beach and seaside, unique ecosystems, rare coastal dune lakes and state parks teeming with wildlife. Why visit the Emerald Coast? The Emerald Coast is famous for its turquoise waters, some of the clearest and most vibrant waters in the world. Sugar white sand, soft, powdery sand that's perfect for barefoot walks. Charming towns, quaint communities like Destin, Santa Rosa Beach, and Seaside. Unique ecosystems, rare coastal dune lakes and state parks teeming with wildlife. Top beaches on the Emerald Coast. Destin Beach, known as the world's luckiest fishing village, Destin offers stunning beaches and a lively atmosphere. Perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and sunbathing. Grayton Beach, voted one of the most beautiful beaches in the U.S. Grayton Beach is a must-visit. Explore the nearby Coastal Dune Lakes and State Park. Miramar Beach, a family-friendly beach with calm waters and plenty of amenities. Great for paddleboarding and kayaking. Seaside Beach, famous for its pastel-colored cottages and picturesque views. A great spot for photography and relaxation. Must-do activities on the Emerald Coast. Explore Coastal Dune Lakes. The Emerald Coast is home to 15 rare coastal dune lakes, including Western Lake and Draper Lake. Rent a kayak or paddleboard to explore these unique ecosystems. Snorkeling and scuba diving. Discover vibrant marine life and underwater ecosystems in the Gulf of Mexico. Popular spots include the Destin jetties and artificial reefs. Fishing. Known as a fishing paradise, the Emerald Coast offers deep sea, pier, and surf fishing. Charter a boat for an unforgettable fishing experience. Hiking and biking. Explore trails in state parks like Grayton Beach State Park and Topsail Hill Preserve. Bike the Timpucci Trail, a scenic 19-mile path along Highway 30A. Dolphin cruises. Take a boat tour to see playful dolphins in their natural habitat. Sunset cruises are especially magical. Hidden gems on the Emerald Coast. Crab Island, a submerged sandbar in Destin that's a hotspot for boating, swimming, and floating. Deer Lake State Park, serene park with a coastal dune lake, hiking trails, and unspoiled beaches. The village of Baytown, wharf, a charming area with shops, restaurants, and live entertainment. Point Washington State Forest, a nature lover's paradise with miles of trails through pine forests and wetlands. Where to eat on the Emerald Coast. The Back Porch, Destin, famous for its fresh seafood and Gulf views. Bud and Alley's, Seaside, a beachfront restaurant with stunning sunsets. The Red Bar, Grayton Beach, a local favorite known for its eclectic vibe and live music. Tips for visiting the Emerald Coast. Visit during the shoulder seasons, spring or fall, for fewer crowds and pleasant weather. Book accommodations and activities in advance, especially during peak season. Don't forget sunscreen, a hat, and plenty of water for your beach days. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of Coastal Dune Lakes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to your channel name, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an adventure. Let me know in the comments which coastal dune lake you'd love to visit first. Until next time, keep exploring.